Good morning, everybody. Hello. I'm home right now, so I get to have some of the girls here with me. Oh, there's a bee. But happy Saturday. Thanks for being here. I hope you're ready to dance. Let's break a sweat, hurt our bodies, and get going. It is time. I have some people coming in. Oh.
Good morning, Auntie.
Good morning, Bebe.
I like your mask.
Thank you. Honey Girl gave me this mask. I wore it just for you, and it matched my shirt. And I was like, oh, this one's perfect. All right, here we go. Let's get ready. Let me make sure everything's good. What do I want to listen to? All right, here we go. We're gonna go, we might go a little bit past an hour. If you have to go, no worries, can go. You can hear the music, it was fine? It was on? Perfect. Okay, I have some more people coming in. All right, here we go. Here we go. All right, 5. Okay, let's speed it up. So to start off, we're gonna get 10 jumping jacks in, 10 jumping jacks, and then 10 squats. Try your best to stay with me the whole time as we do this. After that, we're gonna do some strengthening, what is it called? Strength and conditioning, and then go into hip movement. But right now, let's hit 10 jumping jacks, 10 squats, shake it out, and then we will move on. Here we go.
From Tahiti, the king of bass.
All right, moving on. Here, we're gonna hit. Can you take this out of me, Ali? Doing good? Awesome. Okay, here we go. Calf raises. We're gonna sit here in a, your shoulders are here, small kind outside, not too tight, not too far, right here, okay? We're gonna sit in our dancing position down, toes forward, knees forward, hold your core tight, shoulders back. You're gonna sit and lift elbows. Just lift your heels, up, 2, just like that. Don't lean forward, and then don't stand up. Sit the whole time and push up, okay? It's gonna go 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, sit and squat, hold, 8 counts, out and then back up, okay? So 8 count calf raises, 8 count squat sitting, holding your squat, and then the transition in between 2 steps, you can let those knees release, those thighs release, and continue. Hey, friend. Here we go. All right.
Toku inangaruki ako ye ma inoe puranga e ia tamane akirunga ia koe mahine manako 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 ia koe mau piri ia koe manako 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 ia koe mau piri ia koe o koe anake mau piri ia koe o koe anake mau piri ia koe marangi nei toku oi matae e taku ina ngaro ki a koe e maine tomata manea mai te puranga e ata manea ki runga i a koe maine manako 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 i a koe o piri i a koe manako 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 i a koe
Shake your legs out, shake your legs out. Moving on, here we go. Let's get a nice little stretch in before we hit exercises to wake our knees up. So here we go, let's see. Is it playing? Follow me, stretch.
Polynesian, Tahitian, ukulele. No we ho ia to here ma wa pi a wi te rai wa imia ya oe ta piri maina hipi hai ho ia une Hite maru o te aua hi o tō utino
Tō mata whari mai te e hoi au ka oe tiare Tei ori e mahi ahe a toua
Wahere
Iau ia oe
Kei e pohiti hau marue
Taui he
Wahere au
Ia oe
Kei e pohiti hau marue
Taui he
I'm yours and you are for me A true love meant to be When the world falls away What is left is right here Can you feel it too, my baby?
Here we go, next one, you're gonna sit. I'm gonna turn this way so you can see me. Sit, hop. Right leg out, this is your mirror, so we're the same direction. Here, and you're gonna go down, sit, up. But this is now finish here. Okay, so when you go down, sit, pull back up, shoulders back, sit down, 2, 3, 4. Your foot is flat when you get here. No, yes. So when you sit again, sit down, flat foot. Look at my leg. No, yes. No, yes. Okay? And then when you come up, switch it up, opposite side, same thing. Drop down, push, up. When you drop down, close your legs, close and up. No, finish here, switch, down, switch, up, switch, down, switch, up. There's not a point where your legs are extending. My girls here on Zoom, are we good? Do we understand that? Awesome. Bring your hands to your chest, watch your balance. Have a pretty elegant drop and a strong come up. Here we go. What do I want to play? Okay, all good. Be careful the one leg you use, so don't overuse it.
La Usamoa, La Usamoa, Fa'amua mua le atua, o ia o lo ufa'avae. Ao mai ni puapuanga, fa'amalo situ maupea, o te alofa ia te oe la Usamoa. Talofa Samoa lo ua tunu upelele anga. Ai se o upese pese atu mafamatala. Lo matamo fiele mafaya upuna famatala. Ua numera tasifo I oe ile Pacifica. La Usamoa, La Usamoa, fa'amua mua le atua, o ia o lo ufa'avae. Ao mai ni puapuanga, fa'amalo situ maupea, o te alofa ia te oe la Usamoa. Le mawhai o nana lolo usa ufana uai. O lau whanua lanu lau awa o te tiwai. E uina o malanga I whafo I atunu ese. E le mawhai o nana lo o e Samoa lau pele. Samoa, fa'amua mua le atua, o ia o lo ufa'avae. Ao mai ni puapuanga, fa'amalo situ maupea, o te alofa ia te oe la Usamoa. La Usamoa. Samoa, fa'amua mua le atua, o ia o lo ufa'avae.
Woo! Last exercise. Here you're sitting. The whole time you're sitting, go up. If you can go higher. Do as you can. To the right, I'm gonna face you. To the right. Then straight back. When you go straight back, make sure they don't cross. Up here, flamingo, switch. Left straight, left out, balancing. Make sure you're not falling on one side of your foot. Scoot back, flamingo, point toe, and sit. You never stand. Okay, we're really building those muscles in our legs. You can feel it already. Here we go. Just hold the time with me. At some point, we're gonna add arms. I'm gonna kind of guide you on the arms, but if they get a little like freestyle vibes and your arms go somewhere else, no biggie, it's just they're making use of them. All right. Just because I like this song right now. Here we go. Nice and elegant with it.
きてあとはいとまたまねやumuanga uki apeke koi aku Tano atura takui manako Mata ora chikai to tawa pirianga No atu toki no iaku e ine Kare takui nangaro yako e ngaro Kwa oti o te papa ki mua i te atua Na te mate ta ua e tatara Au e te akaroa ia konei e Wataki mai ko i aku ki tui pukarea Kwa kamata ko e te akanene vai aku Au e ara te atu I perai ko i aku Au No atu toki no iaku e ine Kare taku inga ngaro yako e ngaro Kwa oti o te papa ki mua i te atua Na te mate ta ua e tatara Au e te akaroa ia konei e Ko taki mai ko i aku ki tui pukarea Ko akamata ko i te akanene vai aku Au e ara te atu I perai ko i aku Au Ko
All right,
taki
last drill for this. I keep saying last drill. Here, you're gonna sit with my feet, push me, point, long, 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 up, and down, switch, up, and down, so on, so on. Next line, right foot, forward, push, 2, switch, push, 2. So the last one was just a front step, long, 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 front step, long, long, long. No, like this is too not as graceful as leaning it more pointed toe. Okay, so your exercise goes to the right, 5, 6, 7, right, 1, 2, 3, switch, 1, 2, 3, front, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, and walk back. And then repeat. 2, 3, 4. Working on length, getting lower in our legs and on our positioning. Here we go. Pretty fingers.
Umuanga uki apeke koi aku Tano atura takui manako Mata ora chikai to tawa pirianga No atu toki no iaku e ine Kare takui nangaro yako e ngaro Kwa oti o te papa ki mua i te atua Na te mate ta ua e tatara Au e te akaroa Wataki mai koe aku ki tui pukarea Kwa kamata koe te akanene vai aku Aue Ea ara te atu Iperai koe aku Aue
Good job. Take a little water break, everyone, if you need it. And let's start moving our hips. Oi. All right, so we're conditioning, yeah? So I want your shape in your hips, all the things that we normally rant about. Okay, lighting's not bad. What am I saying? Round, really, really round. Thank you. Really round shapes, deep core, arched back, low, low, low levels with your legs. Try your best not to hurt yourself. You all know your body, so just be kind to yourself. But we're gonna start with our open leg ami and our tuanae. Cool. Like I said, for maybe some of you guys came in late. I think I said it was an hour, but I planned to give you as much as I can. This class is also recorded, and I'll be sharing it with you guys because it's off schedule. So in case anyone couldn't make it, it will be there for you. So I'm slowly getting into that workout, but I wanted to really define our body before we get like rapid movement, okay? So. We're gonna hit a tuanae into a nice big ami. I just can't find the right song I want. All right. 4 tuanae. It's gonna go up, 2, 3, 4. That's your count. And single, 2, 3, 4 times 4. After that, you're gonna hit nice 4 ami normal direction, 4 ami opposite. Bump. 2. It's speeded up, or we're going kind of fast already. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. 2, 2, 3, 4. Tuanae. 2, 3, 4. I want you to get really defined in that snake. Make sure every part of your body is shown. Push 3, 4 all the way up to that booty, and then when you sit into your ami, make a gradual transition as if like we're doing proper dancing. So I don't want you to be rocking it and then drop and squat and have those rough transitions between 2 moves. Keep it simple and clean. Here we go. Oh, okay. Sorry, I'm thinking. Hands up, 2 arms up. Tuanae. Up, 2, 3, 4, and down. I think it'll be kind of fast. Let's see if it works out. Music.
Sagala pasindara, balang sisigiti gorau. Sarina anda toto songi netungetu lelandi hola.
Now you leaving me, you know darling me need something, and you go, and you go. Now I know, I think you less no me no more. When are you doing what similar me? Binekita lavenu. Ulema hisamu apopo mamundo. leaving me yourself, please come back, blow me. No change in mind, blow me. Me need him you too much. Say, girl, you stop blowing. Me finding you. Say, girl, you stop blowing. Me missing you. Say, girl, you stop blowing. I'm longing for you. To pull in my endless time, we go run. Pull in my samwa popo, mamundo goro. Vamano ta winiki munda. You still a holiday, but you can look at me lo munda. Ai samwa popo, mamundo goro. Vamano ta winiki munda. Lele muhola.
Ule mai samwa popo mamundo goro. Vamano ta koremunda. Lele.
All right, next one. Here, Vadu. Slow. We're really stretching our hips out. You're gonna Vadu here. Boom. Da da. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right away. Defining our basics, making sure they're consistent, no shoulders. It's not the shoulders that do the two movements, it's your hips, okay? Hands, here. Vadu, coming out, right, left, right, left, right, left. Finish, nice and grand. Positioning all the way out. I'm gonna sit so you see my hands. Buddha, 1, 2, 3, 4, last 4. 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right, left, finish. I want you to go count 4s here. 4 counts holding. So make sure you hold it out. 4, 3, 2, finish and continue. Same thing. Up, 2, 3, finish, drop. Nice and tight to your body. Down, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna change our position to the front first. Booty left, booty left, booty left, and so on, okay? Ali, can you take the center? Here we go, let's see. Oh, I'm gonna go this way for now so I can watch you guys as well. This is not a mirror, so you're opposite of her. Here we go. Take the other side, Lex. Make it count, make it nice and tall and confident. Right, ready? Slow. Okay, 8.
Dongo saya la pasindara. Balang-balang sisigiti orau. Sarina anda toto so ginetu lelandi hola.
Now you leaving me. You know darling, me need something. And you go. Now I know. I think you less love me no more. Why now you doing what love me? Kita lavanu. Ulema hisamwa popo mamundo goro. Vamano ta winiki munda. Lele muhola.
Ulema hisamwa popo mamundo goro. Vamano ta koremunda. Lele muhola.
Every day me stop, me save thinking you too much. Life am hard too much because you leaving me yourself. Please come back, blow me. No change in mind, blow me. Me need him you too much.
All right, one thing I'm noticing, it's such simple movement. Oh, this is better lighting. You I look prettier here. It's, I want perfect basics. So here I'm seeing, watch my hand, here, and then it's like this really rough hold of the hand versus a nice fluid, airy movement here. The shoulders feel tight. Two simple movements, execution makes it a whole different thing, okay? Pulling it up, 2, 3, 4, fingers, 2, 3, let it wave and then go down, okay? Every single body part matters. The more you're conscious of this in simple movement, it'll gradually be easier to be conscious of it when you're going wah, wah, with like crazy steps, okay? It's like second nature. I know I need to extend. I know my hands are flat and not popped. All those little things. Here we go, same thing, and you need to get lower. Let's go.
You stop blowing, me finding you. Single, you stop blowing, me missing you. Single, you stop blowing, I'm longing for you. You pulling my endless side, we go run. Pulling my sama popo, mamundo goro, vamano ta winiki munda. Lele muhola.
Ulema hisamwa popo mamundoro the manota koremunda lele muhola.
See, girl, tryna call your phone before you come back long home. Cause I'm all alone. Baby, please respond.
You still a holiday, but you come look at me, lo munda. Ulema hisamwa popo, mamundo goro, vamano ta winiki munda. Lele muhola.
Ulema hisamwa popo mamundoro the manota koremunda lele muhola.
Ulema hisamwa.
Very nice, very nice. Defining your body, defining your movement. Relax, relax. Okay, let's hit some more hard-hitting hips. We're gonna sit into a patya. Patya means spear. When you have your right leg nice and popped, I will get up in a second and get my music. All right, getting more into faster movements, still being able to define it. You are always aware of what your hands are doing, your shoulders are doing, your eyes are doing.
Wine for me, darling. When you move your spine is alarming.
Tes potes te mentent, je te ferai des papouilles jusqu'à ce que tu gémisses dans mon oreille. Et t'oublieras tout ce que t'as fait la veille. Je continuerai jusqu'au moment.
Okay, here we go. In. Sorry, getting back my cameras or my screens. Small rant. I saw a TikTok about what Zoom teachers sound like, and it was like they're like, "Let me get my music. Let me just get the PowerPoint ready," and that's what I sound like the whole time. And then I started making fun of myself. All right, here we go. The lyric. Oh, is it bad lyrics? Is it bad words? I don't know. I don't know what it means. I can't see you. Wait, was it bad words? Oh, ooh. Okay. Honey girl, don't read the chat. You don't need to read the chat. Okay. Well, if no one's a French speaker in this room. We're just jamming. We're just vibing. All right. Here we go. So it goes double hit. Sit patya. Make sure you're on the balls of your feet, not here. Here. Okay. And you're gonna sit leaning to the opposite side. We're gonna keep our hand here. Yes. Here. And you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, and swing up and swing up. Switch. There. Okay? Back side is here. Don't lean forward. Kicking your butt up. Sit. Here. Up. 2, 3, 4, and swing. And swing. Switch. Bum, bum. 2, 3, 4, and swing. And swing. Pull. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna read the chat. Oh! Okay, I don't want to listen. I don't want to hear that song anymore. Let's change the music. They said it's explicit, but we like it. It's good. Oh my God, I feel wrong. Okay, hold on. Let's see. Yeah. Is it okay? It's okay. We're going to do it anyway. No one's got to know.
J'ai dit laisse-moi t'emballer, t'es le plus beau des cadeaux. Tu pourras plus t'en aller, je vais m'agripper à ton dos. Et j'imagine comment je vais procéder. Vu l'adrénaline, tu pourras que céder. Mais tes car tu connais mon CV. Et pour t'apaiser, je mettrai mon CD. Donc je commence à t'embrasser tout doucement. Vu la taille de ton fessier, mais faudra y aller doucement. Et quitte à foutre le bordel dans l'appartement. Qu'ils disent tout ce que t'es pas fait, mais tous tes potes te mentent. Je te ferai des papouilles jusqu'à ce que tu gémisses dans mon oreille. Et t'oublieras tout ce que t'as fait la veille. Je continuerai jusqu'au moment où tu me dises
Stay.
S'il te plaît, arrête.
pour toi c'est mort, les tours se resserrent. T'en foutre plus encore, t'inquiète j'en fais mon affaire. Pour toi c'est mort, les tours se resserrent. T'en foutre plus encore, t'inquiète j'en fais mon affaire. T'es le plus beau des cadeaux, tu pourras plus t'en aller. Je vais m'agripper à ton dos. Ce soir tu as t'es pas juste un j'ai dit laisse-moi t'emballer, t'es le plus beau des cadeaux. Tu pourras plus t'en aller, je vais m'agripper à ton dos.
Bon quoi,
Ça va et toi?
ça va, tranquille. Dis-moi, tu fais quoi ce soir?
Ce soir, je suis avec mes copines.
Tu sais quoi? Annule tous tes plans.
Ah bon?
Ouais, j'ai prévu quelque chose pour toi, ça va bien se passer.
DJ Sticks, casser le sec.
I don't know what I'm doing. Here. We're to the right side. First one to the front. Front. Side. Back. Hold. Hold. And front. Side. Back. Hold. Hold. Cut over. Front. Side. Back. Hold. Hold. Cut over. Front. Side. Back. Keep going. Again. Cut. Front. Side. Back. 1, 2, hip, front, side, back, 1, 2. That was really hard to teach for a second. It's okay? We know where we are? We good? All right, here we go. Sit low and lean.
Tu finis par déposer les amis, yeah. J'irai tranquillement pour te déshabiller. Ta voix pour moi tout seul, ouais, je suis content. Il nous reste plus beaucoup de temps dans le sable, yeah. Et là tu commences à me toucher, on finit par coucher. Si t'as un peu chaud, t'inquiète, on ira sous la douche. Tu trouveras ça peut-être un peu louche. J'ai tellement d'idées pour toi que tu me laisse-moi t'emballer. T'es le plus beau des cadeaux, tu pourras plus t'en aller. Je vais m'agripper à ton dos. Ce soir tu as t'es pas juste un j'ai dit laisse-moi t'emballer, t'es le plus beau des cadeaux. Tu pourras plus t'en aller, je vais m'agripper à ton dos. Ce soir tu as t'es pas juste un
DJ Sticks, qui t'est le marché.
Not bad. Some of it was still a bit awkward looking. You don't go, this is a no. Step, step, no, sit, push, 1, baby pickup. It's like kind of a jog. My feet are barely leaving the floor. My feet are barely leaving the floor. Okay, and you're still, you guys looking very inside. Push outside everybody, here. Thumb, thumb. Lower and farther. Yes, B, that's nice, Bianca, that's good. Okay, here we go. We try again. Get lower. Fix your posture. Sorry if you can hear me. Fix your posture.
Pour toi c'est mort, les tours se resserrent. T'en foutre plus encore, t'inquiète j'en fais mon affaire. T'es le plus beau des cadeaux, tu pourras plus t'en aller. Je vais m'agripper à ton dos. Ce soir tu as t'es pas juste un j'ai dit laisse-moi t'emballer, t'es le plus beau des cadeaux. Tu pourras plus t'en aller, je vais m'agripper à ton dos. Ce soir tu as t'es pas juste un
Ça va, tranquille. Dis-moi, tu fais quoi ce soir?
Ce soir, je suis avec mes copines.
Tu sais quoi? Annule tous tes plans.
Ah bon?
Ouais, j'ai prévu quelque chose pour toi, ça va bien se passer.
DJ Sticks, casser le sec.
Not bad. Those are nice moves to use in a solo too. Nice and defined. And then what I like about that movement, but then again, you could do it in all of them, is it's just really showing your body in a new way, which is a much more difficult way to dance than straightforward. So really accentuate those leans to give like more oomph to the step. Patya, okay? Here we go. Let's get our knees awake again. Get some levels in. Okay, here we go. We're gonna go level 1. It's gonna go medium, ami, sitting. I'm just gonna dance like this. Here, medium, down, one, or single. It's the same combo the whole way through. 4 medium. 1, 2, 3, 4. Twist, 1, 2, 3, level 2. 2, 2, 3, 4. Twist, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. Twist, 2, 3, Buddha. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there. All just defining movement, nothing else. No speed, no nothing. Full shape in the hips, okay? With your feet, you're welcome to keep your feet aligned together here or here. Da-da-da, here, da-da-da. Just keep your knees together, okay? Hands, circles, 4, 3, 2, 1, twist, push, 2, 3, again, and push. Subtle arms, but really strong posture the whole time. And there's nothing that's happening between. Blah, 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 blah. No extra movement, okay? When you twist, try your best not to make the twist all knees. Example. Down, down, yeah, down, 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 down. This is too much. It's too much movement, okay? And it's too distracting. So here we go, from the top. Woo, ready for your legs to burn. Again, I'm going past an hour. If I see everyone leaving, then I'll know we can't do that. But no stress, no press. Stay here if you can. Same.
Tu pourras plus t'en aller, je vais m'agripper à ton dos. Ce soir, tu as aïe, 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 aïe. T'es pas juste un aïe, 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 aïe. J'ai dit laisse-moi t'emballer, t'es le plus beau des cadeaux. Tu pourras plus t'en aller, je vais m'agripper à ton dos. Ce soir, tu as aïe, 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 aïe. T'es pas juste un aïe, 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 aïe. Et j'imagine comment je vais procéder. Vu l'adrénaline, tu pourras que céder. Mais t'hésites car tu connais mon CV. Et pour t'apaiser, je mettrai mon CD. Donc je commence à t'embrasser tout doucement. Vu la taille de ton fessier, mais faudra y aller doucement. Et quitte à foutre le bordel dans l'appartement, qu'ils disent tout ce que t'es pas fait, mais tous tes potes te mentent. Je te ferai des papouilles jusqu'à ce que tu gémisses dans mon oreille. Et t'oublieras tout ce que t'as fait la veille. Je continuerai jusqu'au moment où tu me dises
J'en peux plus, s'il te plaît, arrête.
pour toi c'est mort, les tours se resserrent. T'en faudrait plus encore, t'inquiète j'en fais mon affaire. Pour toi c'est mort, les tours se resserrent. T'en faudrait plus encore, t'inquiète j'en fais mon affaire. Laisse-moi t'emballer, t'es le plus beau des cadeaux. Tu pourras plus t'en aller, je vais m'agripper à ton dos. Ce soir tu as aïe, 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 aïe. T'es pas juste un aïe, 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 aïe. J'ai dit laisse-moi t'emballer, t'es le plus beau des cadeaux. Tu pourras plus t'en aller.
That was fun. Feeling those in your legs. Doing good. We're gonna do that one more time. Yee. Bye. Good to see you guys. All right. I'm burning, but I love it. We love it. Okay, the last thing I'm gonna add is for your hura, Ali, can you follow my words? There's my mom. That's my mom. Hura up and finish on your toes. 1, 2, 3 on the toes and flat. And then you're gonna reset it again, okay? So you're just gonna take it all the way up into those toes. Here we go. Do I wanna do that? 1. Turn it into a varu. Varu up. Right, left, on your toes. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Set on me. There you go. Here we go. 4 times. Make it count. Make it a full circle.
La taille de ton fessier, mais faudra y aller doucement. Et quitte à foutre le bordel dans l'appartement, qu'ils disent tous que t'es pas fraîche, mais tous tes potes te mentent. Je te ferai des papouilles jusqu'à ce que tu gémisses dans mon oreille. Et t'oublieras tout ce que t'as fait la veille. Je continuerai jusqu'au moment où tu me dises
Stay.
J'en peux plus, s'il te plaît, arrête.
pour toi c'est mort, les tours se resserrent. T'en foutrais plus encore, t'inquiète j'en fais mon affaire. Pour toi c'est mort, les tours se resserrent. T'en foutrais plus encore, t'inquiète j'en fais mon affaire. Laisse-moi t'emballer, t'es le plus beau des cadeaux. Tu pourras plus t'en aller, je vais m'agripper à ton dos. Ce soir tu as moi, aïe 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 aïe. T'es pas juste là-bas, aïe 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 aïe. J'ai dit laisse-moi t'emballer, t'es le plus beau des cadeaux. Tu pourras plus t'en aller, je vais m'agripper à ton dos.
Bon quoi?
Dis-moi, ça va et toi?
Ça va, tranquille. Dis-moi, tu fais quoi ce soir?
Ce soir, je suis avec mes copines.
Tu sais quoi? Annule tous tes plans.
Ah bon?
Ouais, j'ai prévu quelque chose pour toi, ça va bien se passer.
DJ Sticks, cassé le sec. Tu finis par déposer les amis, yeah. J'irai tranquillement pour te déshabiller. T'avoir pour moi tout seul, ouais, je suis content. Il nous reste plus beaucoup de temps dans le sable, yeah. Et là, tu commences à me toucher. On finit par coucher. Si t'as un peu chaud, t'inquiète, on y.
All right, cool. Doing good. Slow movement, strength, building some strength. All right. So we're gonna test ourselves and get a last trick in for the class. Is anyone down to stay or do we all have to go? Either way, no worries. Stay or go? Oh, period. We love it. Thank you so much. You're wonderful. Okay. We're gonna try to level down on one leg slowly. So we started off with that exercise where we're going down on one leg. If you can't go all the way down, hit a level 2, just really feel that burn and let that whole burn take your life away. Okay, so we're here. I'm gonna dance it this way. All of us are gonna try this together too. So we're gonna go. Here, level 1, 1, 2, 3, level 2, 2, 3. So the biggest thing is you're gonna watch this foot pop up. At some point, it's gonna be sitting here in this position, okay? So it's going down, try to rest the feet. 1, 2, 3, drop. 1, 2, 3, now foot. Tall, 2, 3, 4, sit, 2, 3, 4. That was like this. Okay, so your leg is bent, your long leg is bent. Watch my long leg. Long leg. Da, 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 da. This foot is flat. That's why I told you earlier to go flat, here, up. Same thing, opposite side. Try opposite, down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump, 2, 3, foot. Down, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, up. Okay? I can't see you. How does that feel? The idea of it, not the actual doing it. Idea, we all understand? Okay, we try our best together. Let's do no music to start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. Finish 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, up, restart. 3, 4 counts down, the 4th count gets you up. Woo! Here we go. No music. 5, right leg. 6, 7, hey. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, up. 1. Hey. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't want to count. Bump. That was good. All right, let's go over here. You good over there? Let's try one more time so I can watch you. Here we go. 5, 6. Elijah, take my spot. Sit down here. Don't mess up. 5, 6, 7, hey. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3. Balls up your feet. Flat, flat, flat. Switch. Up. 2, 3. Get lower. Down. 2, 3. Halfway. Finish 4. Up and rest. Okay, if you can't go down, like I said, get that proper level. And for those that can't go down, let's try to speed your hips up. So if you're not going as low, get a really quick fa'arapu in there. Try your best. My girls that are feeling better, now turn that ami into a medium pace, that medium pace into a good fa'arapu. It's up to you, the pace of your hips. Okay, here we go. One more time. I'm just gonna go. Can you hear this? Okay, so it's the first 2, 3, 4, second 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, hide eight, up, switch, bump. Okay? What's the appropriate separation of your legs? Sit here. When the long leg is outside of my shoulder, the other leg is with my body. As I go down, this one goes farther, and I lean to the opposite side. Down, 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 down. It can't go farther than here. Down. Small crank. Up, bum, bum, bum. Other side. Down, 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 down. Bum, bum, bum. Okay, we try. Hopefully that helps. Here we go. No music. 4, 2, 3, 4. Switch. 2, 3, 4. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Push and. Again. Last one. She's a drummer. Did you hear that? You hear that? My little mixing there? Okay, I'll shut up. Not bad. We're going to try it again. We'll go slower. Okay? Sometimes, though, you got to just rip the Band-Aid off and get down. Here we go. Going down again. I'm going to go slower. 3. Ready? Oh, when you clap, there's no audio. Okay, I'll stop clapping. So whatever. You don't get to hear my awesome drumming. Never mind. I'll count. 5, 6, going down slower. 5, 6, 7, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 2, 3, 4, and 3, 2, 3, 4. Smooth. Hey, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3. Speed up your hips. 3, 4, and 1. One more. Faster. Hips. 2, 3, 4. Push. 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. 1. And finish one more. Down. 2, 3. Push it through. Da 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 da. Rest. Bump bump. Cool. Not bad. Good job, girls. Everyone, just breathe. Be nice to your body. All right, here we go. So we're gonna put a combination together. Get your legs ready as I get my music ready. Oh, let's do this. Get it? You all read my mind. I wasn't even moving, but you understand it. All right, here we go. I'm so upset that my clapping didn't work. You guys missed out. I don't know what to tell you. All right. I'm gonna take your spot again, Elijah. Sorry, thanks, man. Here we go. Let's get 4 in there. Be careful, be nice to your body, watch your weight distribution. That's where you put your body is so important. Here we go. Hold 1. Not bad. Let's do it again. We're gonna split into 2 groups just to give our bodies the break. Don't actually sit. No, I don't sit on my butt. Level 3. No. Okay. Here we go. I'm gonna add a different one. Really quick, we're gonna go right. Down 1, up 2. Down 2, up 3. Down 3. Down 3. Finish. Bump to the other side. Down 3, 4. Bump to the other side. So if I'm here, I finish my last one. Go to the front, I'm on my new front. Bump, down. Go to my old front, and I'm back. That's just for the last 2. First 2 is the original, last 2 has your thought out. If you can't go down one of them, hold the second. Go down 3rd, hold the 4th, whatever helps your body. Did you understand that? With the thought out? First 2, down, original 2. Second, down, original 3. Thought out, down, 4th count. Push, new front. Left, boom, old front. Here we go, try your best. Hold 1. All right, breather. I'm getting a drink. You may get one as well. Be nice to your body. Drink. So normal technique when you're going down. I just want you to be conscious of it. I just gotta say it out loud. I need hardwood floors. Oh yeah, sorry, that's rough. No shoulders, yeah? No going down. I saw a lot of shoulders moving, or like a shimmy. Try your best to just keep contracting that core. All right.
Bye, Auntie.
Bye, baby.
See you tomorrow.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
We're almost done. So close. How do you finish it? I finish. I'll show you my body on the other angle. Stop. No. Stop. And then that's when you can try. We're just gonna end on one last trick and then we're gonna be done. No fa'arapu sprints today, but lots of thighs, okay? So the next one we're gonna do is we're gonna try to turn on the floor with it. Fa'arapu patia iraro. Right side. So how you do it turning is you drag that flat foot. It has to be flat. It's gonna help grip it. Turn. Go down with me. Try. You guys can discover if it's possible or not for you. Try not to go here. Sit. You gotta go here. If you don't have hips yet, feel it. Sit on your foot. Turn. Switch. Turn. There. This is so fun. Okay? So try your best. Even no hips, then get the scoop. This girl's going for it. Okay? Here we go. We try. No hips. Iraro, choose your strong leg, right or left. Let's just sit and turn. Or if you're standing, You sit lower. Same thing. Okay. Ready? Scoop, no hips. Sitting on your butt. Or if you're ready, use your hips. 5, but keep it flat. 5, pull that knee. 6, 7, turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch left. Scoop. 5, 6, 7, push. 1, 2, 3, sounds funny. 4. Woo! There we go. Okay? And now we're gonna try going down with our strong leg, and then huri, haere tifene up, opposite leg, which is our weak leg, and then so on. So start strong leg and weak leg. Oh, she put baby powder, cheater. Sometimes using baby powder on your floor is gonna help you slide. But be careful, don't, if you have weak ankles, you could slip and pull your, or strain your ankle. All right, here we go. No music, let's just go for it. 1, 2, 3, 4, turn, 2, 2, 3, hide up and finish, rest, and then we go to our left. Here we go. 5, 6, no music, 7, hips, head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. I'll go here. 5, 6, left, push. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It sounds so weird. It's like so gross. Okay, let's hit it one more time. Show me what you got. I'm gonna count. Yeah, no, it's good. Here we go. Tautea, put your hands somewhere where they're pretty. 5, 6, 7, down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hips. 2, 3, 4. Switch. 2, rest. 2, left. 5, 6, 7, drop. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good, Crystal. Just get off your butt on the floor or get off your feet. But that was a nice drop. It was a good drop. Here we go. One last time. Give it. Oh no, let's do hips. Music. And then we're done. That is about that. What was my chat? It's the hardest thing I've ever done. Honestly, when I first did it, I didn't think about it. I just didn't know what I was doing, and then I got down somehow, and then I learned the technique later. So sometimes you just gotta drop your body. But we're pretty much done. We're gonna close out with our napoko. It goes 4 times, yeah? Tu toma, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right. Right, left, right, farapu, bum, 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 bum. Finish, times 4. Let me check my chat. Can you show again? Oh, the tarao. Oh, my bad. I felt like I was twerking. I'm an innocent girl. Oh, that's what Bella said. You are a child of God. You are whatever. I'm gonna show that out earlier that we did, just to show it again. Right? Down, 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 down. Down, 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 push. So when I do my tarao, my leg comes a little bit longer and straighter. I sit here, tarao, long, push. Long. Hopefully this was an ease into some more tricks that you could play with. Oh, here we go. Before I just talk. Not poco. We didn't really fire up with that much, so try your best. Get shape. All today was building shape, building muscle. So not poco times 4. Here we go. All to the back. Booty to the camera. When you're in a tautea, I will know you're ready. We can go. Arch your back, engage your core. Lower knees, strong arms, not speed. Unless you can do all of that and fast. Here we go. Hey. Go. More. Go. Going big, going big. Hey, good job. All right, guys, you guys are good. You can rest. All right, homies, thank you so much for being here. Give yourselves, I'll do a silent clap because the audio goes out. But yeah, cool. Some exercises you can do on your own, a good Saturday workout. Tomorrow, I'll see you again. I'm gonna bring up our fa'arapu down with our patia again tomorrow. You just have a heads up. This is also recorded. You could retake it if you want. Thank you, I got my morning workout in today. Awesome, we have 1 more hour. I have another workout right after this. Some of you guys may be there. I don't know if you'll be there. No pressure. You did a lot. But be there. I mean, what? Okay, anyway, thanks you guys. Have a good day. See you tomorrow. Peace out.